Hello children, my name is Kanak Rupani. I am going to teach you lesson 2 poem Waiting at the Window. Waiting at the Window is written by Alan Alexander Milne. Alan Alexander Milne was an English author best known for his books about the teddy bear, Winnie the Pooh and for various poems. Now, let us read the poem. These are my 2 drops of rain waiting on the window pane. I am waiting here to see which the winning one will be. Both of them have different names. One is John and one is James. All the best and all the worst comes from which of them is first. James has just begun to ooze. He is the one I want to lose. John is waiting to begin. He is the one I want to win. Waiting at the window is about a child looking outside on a rainy day. He could be wishing to be outside playing, but then he notices the raindrops falling down the window. As he continues to watch, he sees the raindrops falling, and he pretends the raindrops are in a race to see which one will get to the bottom of the window first. He names the 2 raindrops, one is John and other is James. Now James has begun to trickle. The child wants him to lose. John is waiting to begin. James is going slowly. Something sticks to him. James is going slowly on. Something sort of sticks to John. John is moving off at last. James is going pretty fast. John is rushing down the pane. James is going slow again. James has met a soft sort of smear. John is getting very near. Is he going fast enough? James has found a piece of fluff. John has quickly hurried by. James was talking to a fly. John is there and John has won. Look, I told you, here's the sun. James is moving off at last. James is fast. Then again John is rushing quickly. James is becoming slow again. Now James has met a sticky substance. Now John is quickly moving. James has found a soft fiber. John is hurrying up again. He's rushing quickly. James is again talking to a fly. Now John has reached his goal. He has come first, and at last sun has also appeared. Rain has stopped.